Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to fix audio or speaker problem on iOS 26. If your phone has no sound, low volume, or speaker not working, follow the steps. First, press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone. Make sure the volume is turned up. Now, check the silent mode. Make your silent mode off. Increase ringer and alert volume. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Look at the audio output icon. Make sure sound is playing through iPhone speaker, not Bluetooth or AirPods. Press and hold the slide button and volume off button together. Slide to power off. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This fixes many temporary sound glitches. Gently clean the bottom speaker grill using a soft brush or a dry toothbrush. A clean cloth, dust or dirt can block sound to make audio very low. If sound still doesn't work, go to setting, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset sound, Wi-Fi and system settings. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.